Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get rich in Bitlife without sending money. So let's start. So I will share to you some tips that you can do it if you want to be rich there. So the first one is become a famous actor. You can be someone else in Bitlife and start picking their genre. And also, well, you can select, for example, the father and mom and their relationship. So you have to maintain a good relationship with your parents and learning acting classes and be smooth body and being an actor, and you can be a famous star, as you can see, and good social media, television, or something else. So you can start doing that like that. That's one. The other one is be born as a royal family member. So you can select your royal status there, and you can select, for example, bank balance and also lottery, play it, and investment or something like that. Well, you can start playing those things, and it helps you to be rich, of course. So that is the two tips you can do it for be rich in this life without sending money. As you can see, you can be a famous star or be a royal, take part in royal family. So whatever you prefer, both tips helps you to get rich there. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.